Hi everyone, this is Freezer. I am back with another video on FL Studio. This video I'm going to show you how to start making beat on FL Studio. It's for beginners. If you are already on FL Studio, this is not for you, but you can watch to support the channel, and I thank you for supporting the channel. So this is for beginners who want to start making beat on FL Studio. Let's start. As you can see, my FL Studio is open. The FL Studio is open. When you start opening the FL Studio, this is how it's going to look like. You got only 4 1 2 3 4. Yeah, I think it will come with only these 4 racks or tracks. So as you can see, I already made some things here because I don't want this video to take long. I only want 5 minutes video. Yeah, at least 5-minute video or 6-7 minutes. I don't want to make it long. So when you start for the first time, this will be empty. Everywhere here will be empty. So to find the kick, you need to go to this one, to packs. As you can see, when I say packs, it's closing everything. You need to go to packs and go to drums. As you can see, drums are here, and then kicks are here. These are the kicks. Which one did I use? I think I used this one. You just drag and drop on top of a empty rack. Or if you want to add another one, you can just drag and drop here, or even under this one. You can drop under this one. You see there's another kick here which is empty. Let me delete this one because I don't want to use this one. So now for claps and snare, you do the same. As you can see, the clap one is here on percussion. Let's see, clap one. Here is a clap one on percussion. So you just drag also and drop. You just drag and drop here until you find everything that you want. And then to start, you start by making I'm doing hip hop beat here, so I will start by making a kick. As you can see, my kick, this is my kick. Let me play. And then let's add a clap, so you can hear. This is how we add the clap. This is the clap, and then let's add a hi-hat. This is hi-hat, and then let's add a snare drum. So as you can see here is pattern 1. I like to make my drums on pattern 1, and then pattern 2 I will cut this one and then put it on pattern 2. This one I will put it on pattern 2. As you can see, it stopped playing because we are on pattern 2. Let's go back to pattern 1. This is pattern 1. So now for pattern 1 and 2 to play together, we need to go to the this one, playlist. We need to go to playlist, and then we take this pattern 1 and then we just put here, and then we go to pattern 2. We also put the pattern 2 here, and then we go to song mode. We are on pattern. We are changing from pattern to song mode. This is song mode. Now they are going to play together. Let me put this one here. The reason why this one is not playing is because it's muted here. So let's unmute it for it to play. See, now we are going somewhere. You see now where we have our melodies now. We just put our melodies. Let me open. So I used Morphine. Morphine is on FL Studio 20. As you can see, I just draw the notes, the melodies here. I just draw the melodies. This is how they play. So if you don't have a MIDI controller, don't worry, you can just draw. You can just draw wherever you want to draw. As you can hear, my melodies are playing. So I don't want to make this video long, so guys, I will come back with another video. I just wanted to show the beginners because there are people who don't know how to start making beats on FL Studio. So this video I was just showing you how to start, and then these buttons here, these buttons are very useful. These buttons are very useful. These patterns here, you can add as many patterns as you want. Here is a playlist. As you can see, our playlist is here, and then this one is a piano roll, where you play your MIDI, where you draw your pianos, your chords, your melodies. Yes, this is called a piano roll. And then this one here is a channel rack. Channel rack is where you play your drums, your everything, snares, 808, whatever that you want to play. You play here on channel rack. And then the last one here is a mixer. A mixer where you do your mixing after you completed your beat. You can come here and do your mixing. You see, the mixer is empty, but I will not talk about the mixer now. I will talk about the mixer on the next video. Now I was just showing you how to start on FL Studio. So I think for now we are done. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more and more videos. Let's grow this channel together because more are still coming. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and goodbye.